Good morning, guys, and welcome to my slow morning routine. Today I am going into the office for my 9 to 5, which means I get up at 5 a.m. and get out the door by 7 a.m. Now I could really rush and do it all in 45 minutes to get ready, but I like to cherish these mornings and do the things that I love before I get into the grind of the day. So starting out with a half glass of water. I know I should drink more, but a little bit of water before I get into my coffee. And you've already seen I did my shower routine, body oil, hair treatment, and some eye masks. So that feels so good. That takes about half an hour, and then making the bed too. So now it's around 5:35, 5:40, and I'm getting ready for breakfast. Cheers. So I normally do my oatmeal bowls with some cottage cheese and some blueberries, but I'm out of both today. So I went with a whole sliced banana and just a little bit of granola on top and honey on top as well. So here is the finished product for breakfast today.
White capris would go so well with this, but I don't own any. I'm in the mood to make that much of a statement today, but this is kind of fun. I kind of love this.
Well, it's right at 7 o'clock, so that means I need to get out the door. Now, this is not much of a summer outfit, it's more winter, but it is a rainy day and it gets cool in the office too. So I decided to put on a heavier jacket today. Thanks for joining me on this Get Ready With Me morning before my 9 to 5, which is actually an 8 to 4:30 job. My mornings look a little bit different when it's a work from home day. A lot less hair and makeup prep. I'll probably be in my shorts and a cozy sweater. So if you're interested in seeing a remote work Get Ready With Me morning, let me know in the comments. And I hope you guys are having a cozy day whether you're going into the office or working from home. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.